Ipinaliwanag ni Tracy McGrady kung bakit nasa top 5 all-time si Kobe Bryant. Sa isang post sa kanyang Instagram ngayon, ipinagtanggol ng NBA legend na si Tracy McGrady ang kanyang matandang kaibigan at katunggali sa NBA na si Kobe Bryant. Habang pinagtatalunan niya kung bakit top 5 NBA player kailanman si Bryant, as he argued why Bryant is a top 5 NBA player ever, he explained why playing with Shaq should not be held against him. Si Kobe Bryant ay na-draft noong 1996 and it took him years to fully develop his game. Nag-average lang siya ng 15.9 points, 4.0 rebounds, at 3.0 assists kada laro sa 45% shooting. Sa kabutihang palad, nakasama rin niya si Shaquille O'Neal, na isa sa mga pinakadakilang sentro sa kasaysayan ng NBA. Sa halos lahat ng oras nilang magkasama, at lalo na sa kanilang three-peat, si Shaq ang pinakamahusay na player sa Lakers at mayroon siyang 3 Finals MVP na maipapakita para dito. Dahil napakabata pa ni Kobe noong panahong iyon, hindi mo siya masisisi sa hindi niya pag-abot sa kanyang peak, ngunit ito ay isang bagay na pinanghahawakan pa rin ng mga tao laban sa kanya kapag tinatalakay ang all-time leaderboard. At habang ang bawat superstar ay nangangailangan ng tulong upang makamit ang lahat, Kobe's reliance on Shaq early on hurts his GOAT case, and if not for his convincing championship wins in 2009 and 2010, Bryant's legacy might forever be tied down to the diesel. Ngunit pagkatapos ng back-to-back kasama si Pau Gasol bilang kanyang sidekick, Bryant proved that he didn't need Shaq to win, and it elevated his standing to another level. Bilang isang 5 times champion, Kobe answered all the doubts, and his habit for victory put him squarely in the conversation as one of the greatest players in basketball history. Si Tracy McGrady had a front row seat to Kobe's career, and he has a profound respect for his game to this day. Bagamat karamihan sa mga tagahanga at analyst ay mapapasama si Bryant sa kanilang top 10, si T-Mac ay palaging naninindigan na si Kobe ay kabilang sa hindi bababa sa ika-5. While his exact place on the NBA all-time rankings is still up for debate, Kobe has just as good a case as anyone. While Michael Jordan is widely considered the greatest player ever, Kobe Bryant is arguably his closest imitation in modern times. Besides being an expert scorer, elite defender, and naturally gifted leader, Bryant had an unlimited skill set in his arsenal which he perfected through sheer hard work and willpower. Over 20 years in the NBA, Bryant averaged 25.0 points, 5.2 rebounds, and 4.7 assists per game on 44% shooting. Noong 2016, nagretiro si Bryant bilang 5 times champion, 1-time MVP, a 10 times All-Star, at 15 times All-NBA player. Kaya pagdating sa mga numero, parangal, at pangkalahatang tagumpay sa sport, walang lugar kung saan nagkukulang si Kobe, at ang kanyang karera ay humahawak sa ilan sa mga pinakamahusay sa kasaysayan ng basketball.